have a patient for hair transplant from Bangladesh, and he is suffering from male pattern baldness over the crown area and the sides. We will be using FUE technique, that is follicular unit extraction. The patient will have better results after 3 to 4 months, and the permanent results will be after 12 months.
लेकिन ये जो है ना, मुझे ऐसा नहीं चाहिए। वो क्या है कि मेरा राउंड शेप था। This is the post of second day after the hair transplant. This is the follicle transplanted area. The patient is absolutely fine, and we'll look into the instructions what to be done post care after the hair transplant procedure. Firstly, you have to come after 3 days for dressing. Then after 30 days, you should go for PRP. You should not be exposed directly to the sun, wind or dust, and protect the area. If you're going outside, please wear the head mask and protect the transplanted area.